Good afternoon to you all. Good afternoon to you all. Wow, I'm very sorry I had to keep you waiting after this time. As the youth told you, I developed a problem with my car and I had to dig it in the car. The performance of candidates in mathematics in the past years have been a great concern to most of us, and especially me standing here. I have been teaching mathematics and physics, as Steve has said, for many years. That is, even during my school days, I was teaching my classmates, and I was teaching some of my seniors as well. So that it is important that you also can organize yourself to discuss whatever your teacher has taught you. Because at times when our friends talk to us, we understand them better than the teacher. Because the teacher has a limited time to cover the topic that he has prepared to come to. So if you ask the question, at times he doesn't want you to waste his or her time. But after that, if you go home, and then wherever you are staying, you group yourself about 8, 10, then you sit down, you discuss what has been taught you, together with past papers, then you will be able to understand what has been taught. And when you go in the right examination, you will pass and pass as well. I have only 1 hour, so I have to tell you that learning the subject is you. The teacher will provide all the environment opportunities to let you know the basic things. And it is the basic things that you have to learn and learn as well. The next thing is your English language. Some of you do not take your time to read the questions well, to understand them before you start answering. And so when you do some work in a certain way, you feel that you are right. When in actual fact it is wrong. Then the third point is the presentation of whatever problem you are solving. You need to make whatever you are writing very, very clear for your teacher or the examiner to see and see it well. If you do not write clearly, your teacher will not see it the way you expect him to see it, and it becomes a problem. So I will take some few, or I'll take the past paper for this October-November examination, and then go straight to, assuming that you have studied your syllabus, you have covered your syllabus, you know what you are going to write in examination. We see how we are supposed to answer questions in examination. My name, as was mentioned, is Amonu. Amonu. Sierra would like to make Munu or Omunu. I am not Omunu, I am not Munu, I am Amonu. Amonu. And the initials as HFC. You can make it easier, HCM, since you are studying HCM, for you to remember. If you take any examination paper in mathematics, you are lucky for your paper, you have some composite section, and about 10 questions in which you have to answer 5. So that together with the compulsory file, you are answering 10 questions. Now, even though you have compulsory questions, but it does not mean that you must start with that. Because anything you don't know, you don't know. So it is better for you to start with a question that you are familiar with. And do not also feel that because you are familiar with that, you are going to spend your whole time on this. Another time, if I am able to meet you, I will let you know how to apportion the time to every question. When you get the question paper, you must first of all glance through the questions. That is, if you start with question 1, find the value of x. Sorry, they don't have copies. I was informed late, otherwise I will have got some copies for you. This is October, November 2011. This got a late hand, but if you have any which is common, which you have many, I would like to have that. There's a sort of deal with that. Now, if you get the question paper, you must read through it. Then tick the question that you think you can answer. Keep on ticking until you think that you have actually ticked the one that you can easily answer. Then when starting, start with the one you know best. Start with the one you know best. I would like, even though the teacher is going to bring a question, I would like to take a particular question on bearing, so that we will discuss that before we come. Now, how many of